In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Select split screen and click on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on home button, or swipe both in the background. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!